What's up with it, y'all? Mudlight back with you again. And today, I'm just out here finna have me a little fun, take me a few shots. I can't drive that far off in here because it stormed yesterday and it's very muddy. Very muddy. Let's get some ears on. Don't look like I'm gonna be able to wear the hood with the ears, but hey. Since I can't drive that far, y'all probably didn't even see how the mud is flying on my feet. It's soft. So I'm set up right here. I'm finna try to sight my red dot in again. But that ain't even what this about. We're gonna do a little something to 243. Y'all, I ain't even push record button. But anyway, there's too many holes on that target for me to see what it's hitting it on paper. So have y'all ever seen what a 243 does to a water jug? Yeah, about to now. I got it zoomed in on 5 now. So let's see. Let me make sure y'all can see first. All right, 243 versus 1 gallon of water. There's a dead deer. $243 versus an old air compressor. So y'all saw what it did to the water. So I'm gonna zoom in. I'm gonna sit this down and we're gonna see what it's gonna do. 243 versus AC compressor. Let's see if it'll go through. I'm gonna put one more shot in it while it's on the back side. That's the shot when it was laying on the ground. And that's the shot I gave it when it was upright. Nope. It did not go all the way through. It's in there somewhere. I'm gonna keep this air compressor. We're gonna continue to shoot at it. We gotta go through it. Might hit it with some 1-ounce shotgun slugs or something. But anyway, let me show you. When I told y'all it was a little soft out here, that's why I ain't come that far off in here. But anyway, I'll catch y'all next time. Don't forget, first link in the description, muddlyfegear.com/shop. Go get you some merch. If there's anything y'all want to see me do with the 243 or AR or the KL Tech, well, anything. Y'all want to see how many jugs of water that 243 will go through, or can we catch one of the bullets? Whatever you want to do, let me know. We'll try to work it out. But anyway, I'm finna load everything up. Don't forget, first link in the description, muddlyfegear.com/shop. Now, catch you next time.